So we gotta flatten them out on the bottom of this here 13x9 glassware. So you just want to take them, make the squares, gotta press them together.
What do y'all think he's making here, y'all? What do you think this is? This is a very unique dish. Oh, it looks good.
All right, and then we're gonna take the sausage here. I got some fully cooked sausage. You can cook it yourself too if you want, but I just wanted to.
Oh, buddy. Rolling up.
All right, here we go. Got to break them up. Just break them up. Tasty.
Yeah.
So, and you can also just cook it yourself.
Yeah.
Just need to break it up a little bit more. All these little... We got to take the cream cheese. We took some melted cream cheese, 8 ounces of it.
And just melted it,
put
right?
It over the top. Yeah, we just melted it, put it across the whole thing.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah. All right. Now this is the most fun part for me. We're gonna take this shredded 3 cheese blend from Trader Joe's and spread it all around the top. Cheese boy. All right, I'm gonna just spread it around.
Looks good, yeah.
Yeah, now for the top layer, we're gonna got another thing of crescent rolls. Poppity pop. All right, so now we're gonna do the same thing we did on the bottom there.
Okay.
Actually, it'd be easier
Just,
than how I did it before. Just roll the whole thing out.
that.
I don't know why I didn't do that before.
Wow.
I hope some of y'all are fussing at me because that was pretty dumb.
Margaret from South Dakota said you should have just done that the first
Well,
time.
Margaret, you are absolutely right. Other side of it. Boom. That was so much easier than how I did it before.
Wow.
Them together. All right, so we got it all flattened, ready to go in the oven.
Wow.
We put it in the oven at 375 for about 22 minutes.
Okay.
I'll come back in a minute. All right.
Oh,
See how
wow.
it's looking.
Looks like
Oh
it turned
my
out
gosh.
really well.
That's like a perfect golden brown
I
right
know.
there.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, it smells so good too.
Cut that puppy open.
All right. All right, now we're gonna cut these into little squares. But it works with the rolls too.
Yeah.
Look at those nice little squares.
Wow. Look at that little
Oh
nugget.
my gosh.
Oh, it's like perfect.
Ooh, look at
Wow. Wow.
that. Let's give it a little taste. Mmm. Well, that's really good.